Ever felt like you're stuck when it comes to learning English? Struggling to find effective methods that truly help you improve your speaking and writing skills? Well, you're not alone. But what if we told you there is a way to combine the power of AI with proven language learning techniques, all to help you master English on your own terms? Welcome to Deep Language. We are a team of language experts and tech enthusiasts on a mission to change the way you learn English. Our focus? Helping you to ace those crucial speaking and writing skills through innovative, self-paced programs. What do we do? At Deep Language, we integrate cutting-edge AI technology like ChatGPT into our daily language lessons, making your learning experience interactive, personalized, and fun. We are constantly researching and developing new methods that allow you to practice English at home at your own pace and with the flexibility you need. Why subscribe? We help you stay ahead in your game. We teach you to do what others do in a week, in only a day, to improve your learning pace and quality. Whether you are preparing for exams like TOEFL or IELTS, or simply want to improve your English for personal or professional reasons, our channel has something for everyone. From engaging video lessons to AI-powered practice exercises, we've got your back every step of the way. So, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button and we will see you in our videos.